Hello, a cold start across the UK with fog lingering across southern counties over the next few hours. Keen to move in from the west, this band of rain pushing into Northern Ireland and western Scotland by this afternoon. Elsewhere, a few bright spells. It's rather gloomy and chilly with bits and pieces of patchy drizzle for the southeast this afternoon. Into this evening, that rain band edges eastwards, a little bit wintry on higher ground in the north, gradually disintegrating as it approaches the east coast. Behind it, a few showers for western Scotland, clearer skies for Northern Ireland and the west, with many areas experiencing a much milder night than last night. No problems with ice or frost to start the day tomorrow. A few wintry showers, some sunshine and blustery conditions for the north at first tomorrow. Elsewhere, bright spells, lots of dry weather, but down to the south, a band of heavy rain moves into southern counties and later on the Midlands through the afternoon and tomorrow evening, accompanied by strong and gusty winds for the south coast of the UK. Hello again. The unsettled theme continuing this week with low pressure ostensibly in charge of the UK's weather over the next few days. There will be further spells of rain, some of it heavy at times, accompanied by strong and gusty winds. In general, temperatures are feeling less cold, but for northern areas remaining chilly through tonight and the first part of tomorrow. All eyes to the south through tomorrow afternoon as a rain band moves up into southern counties, later on into the Midlands, accompanied by very gusty winds. Again, the Channel Islands and the south coast of the UK exposed to the strongest gusts by tomorrow evening. Back to this evening's details. And a band of rain is moving eastwards across many areas. As it does so, tending to peter out, but initially a little bit wintry up on higher ground for Scotland. By the end of the night, clearer skies for Northern Ireland and western areas, but we're largely free from frost or icy conditions before dawn. On to Thursday, a brighter start for many of us, with a few showers, some of these wintry in nature on higher ground in the north. During the course of the afternoon, that rain band will edge up into the south and eventually the Midlands, pushing some heavy rain into the southeast through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. A yellow warning in place from the Met Office for the south and east during the day tomorrow and into tomorrow evening. There'll be plenty of surface water and spray on the roads and the risk of some localised flooding. That rain band also accompanied by strong and gusty winds, particularly for the Channel Islands and the south coast of England through tomorrow. Brighter skies further west, and looking ahead to the end of the week. At times there will be some showers with some brightness in the mix as well. Bye-bye. Hello again. The unsettled theme continuing weather-wise through the rest of the week with spells of rain, rather windy conditions at times, and in general feeling less cold. No problems with ice or frost tonight as the rain band edges its way eastwards and tends to disintegrate over the next few hours. A few showers behind it, clearer skies for western areas before dawn, and for many parts of the UK, a dry start to Thursday, but it will be showery again for northern areas, some of these wintry on higher ground for Scotland through the course of the day. Elsewhere across the UK, dry and bright, but down to the south, as you can see, a band of rain moves up across the Channel into southern and eastern counties, later onto the Midlands, and it will be heavy with surface water and spray on roads through tomorrow evening. That rain band also accompanied by strong and gusty winds for the Channel Islands and the south coast of England through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Elsewhere, slightly fresher conditions to end the day with some sunshine to look forward to in the northwest. Good night.